Cross-platform Friends in Madden 25 allows you to connect and play with friends regardless of whether they own a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X and S. As of August 2025, EA Sports has made significant improvements to make cross-platform gaming seamless and enjoyable. Cross-platform gaming means PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S players can now connect and play together in the same game. This breaks down the traditional console barriers that have separated gaming communities for decades. The foundation of cross-platform friends is the EA account system. Every player needs to link their console account to a unique EA account, which creates a universal EA ID that works across all supported platforms. Cross-platform friends work across multiple game modes in Madden 25. You can team up in Ultimate Team to build your dream roster together, compete in online head-to-head matches, collaborate in franchise mode to manage teams, or jump into quick superstar KO games. Cross-platform friends brings several major benefits to Madden 25 players. You get access to a much larger player pool, which means faster matchmaking and better competition. The unified leaderboards let you compete against the best players regardless of their console, and most importantly, you have the freedom to play with friends no matter what gaming system they choose. To use cross-platform friends, you need a few simple things. First, a free EA account that you can create on EA's website. You'll also need a stable internet connection and the latest version of Madden 25. Finally, you'll need your console's online subscription service, PlayStation Plus for PS5 or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for Xbox Series X and S. The key takeaway is that cross-platform friends in Madden 25 successfully connects PlayStation and Xbox players through EA's unified account system. This creates a larger, more connected gaming community where console choice no longer limits who you can play with. Now you're ready to learn the step-by-step process of adding these cross-platform friends. Before you can add cross-platform friends, you need to make sure your console account is properly linked to your EA account. This is the foundation that makes cross-platform play possible. Once your EA account is linked, launch Madden 25 and navigate to the Friends menu. You can find this option in the main menu or through the Social Features section. Now you'll see 3 different ways to add friends. You can search using their EA ID, use a friend code, or search by email address if their privacy settings allow it. Each method has its own advantages. Once you've found your friend using one of these methods, you'll send them a friend request. This creates a connection between your accounts that works across all platforms. To ensure everything works smoothly, you'll need a few technical requirements. A stable internet connection is essential, and you'll need either PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for online features. Here's the complete process summarized. Follow these steps in order, and you'll be playing with friends across different platforms in no time. Remember, both you and your friend need to complete the EA account setup for cross-platform play to work. Here are some pro tips to make the process even smoother. Make sure both you and your friend have the same game version, use wired internet connections when possible for better stability, and remember that friend requests might take a few minutes to appear due to server processing.